My name is Dr. Ankita. I've been a part of Medicover since 5 years now. He's my father. His name is Surya Kumar. He's 66-year-old male, known hypertensive diabetic since 20 years, and he has been a patient of CAD since 2005, and he has undergone bypass in 2005. Since then, multiple episodes of heart failures were there, and he was admitted in various hospitals like Apollo, Hyderguda as well, and underwent medical management only. And in 2023 January, he came in with severe heart failure. We wanted to intubate him and put him on ventilator, but it was that grievous. But we just put him on non-invasive ventilation because of Sharad sir, and he took him up immediately and did angiogram and put a stent. Total 5 blocks. To our surprise, 5 blocks were there, and out of the 5, he only did minimal procedure. He said, "Let him get better, and then we will do a bigger procedure." He put in 2 stents. He got him. He put him in ICU. Took care of him really well, and then within 2 weeks again we went in. We put a stent. This time we got to know that 2 were entirely blocked. That is, he had chronic total occlusion. One was LAD and the other one was RCA. LAD, we put a stent. We got him out, and then we wanted to do a complex procedure for RCA because his vessels are totally tortuous, and it was very, very difficult to go through because since he had bypass, 2 approaches were there, anterior and posterior, and it was not feasible for him. That was a very complex procedure. So we waited for 7 months, and then after that we went to open up RCA, which was chronic total entire occlusion was there. Sharad sir took a lot of efforts. He made plan before, and the procedure itself took a long time to get completed, and finally it was very much successful, and we are really, really happy, and I cannot be more thankful to him for saving his life. Thank you. And 3 months now since the procedure, and he's really doing good. His LV function has improved totally, and we have even cut down on dual antiplatelet, and he is coming to single antiplatelet currently, and he's doing really well. And we have tapered down the diuretics also for his heart failure. So really very, very thankful, and our journey was excellent. I can vouch for it.